And here's something many business owners do not even think about: their contact form. Your contact form should be a lead generation machine. But if it's not optimized, it may be chasing leads away instead. Let's break down the common mistakes that could be costing your business money. First, asking for too much information. If your form looks like a job application, visitors aren't going to bother filling it out. Only ask for what's absolutely necessary to start the conversion process. And your call to action matters. If your button says submit, you're losing leads. A strong, action-driven call to action like get your free quote or talk to an expert makes it clear and compelling why someone should click. And here's something many businesses overlook: a confirmation message. If users don't see a clear success message, they may wonder if their request even went through. The result? Frustration. And they may take their business elsewhere. And when it comes to taking action, trust is incredibly important. If you're collecting personal information but don't have a privacy policy, visitors are going to hesitate. And finally, spammy CAPTCHA challenges. Ugh, we all hate these. Those impossible to read letter puzzles or those little boxes we have to click 20 times. If your form makes visitors prove they're not a robot, it can be aggravating. By fixing these simple mistakes, you'll make your contact form easier, faster, and more inviting. And this means more business for you. So let's talk about how to fix your form to maximize conversions. First, only ask for what's necessary. If your form feels like a 20-question interrogation, people are going to abandon it. Stick to the essentials: name, email, and one key question to keep it simple and friction-free. Next, make your call to action clear and actionable. The word submit is vague and uninspiring. Instead, use a strong, action-driven phrase like get your free quote or let's talk to encourage engagement. Then, reassure your leads instantly with a good, clear success message. When someone submits a form, they need a confirmation. A simple, your message has been sent and we'll get back to you within 24 hours, removes any doubt and keeps them from looking elsewhere. And as you know, trust is everything. Adding a short privacy statement, something as simple as we keep your information private, instantly makes people feel safer about sharing their details with you. And keep your CAPTCHAs simple. If users are struggling with hard to read, squiggly text, they'll just give up instead. Use a one-click I'm not a robot checkbox or a CAPTCHA that happens behind the scenes so that it's not going to stop people from completing the form. By making these quick fixes, your contact form becomes welcoming and effortless to build conversions. More completions means more leads and more business for you. Thank you for listening to this presentation. If you are struggling to drive traffic and turn visitors into paying customers, well, you're not alone. But the good news is that we have you covered. We put together some special step-by-step marketing checklists that are designed to help you attract more visitors, boost conversions, and grow your business without the guesswork. These are not generic tips or fluff. They're proven, actionable strategies that actually work. Whether you're looking to improve your SEO, optimize your website, or run high-converting ad campaigns, our checklists lay it out for you. And the best part is they're free. Join our free membership today and get instant access to our marketing tactics so that you can start using them right now. Visit timberwolfadvertising.com/free membership and start transforming your marketing right now. My name is Justin Kuntz, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising. It has been a pleasure to talk with you today, and I look forward to helping you grow your business.